In our previous class, we have done work on t-test. Today we will work on ANOVA. So at first few minutes, I will guide you how to perform ANOVA and then I will give you task to perform. So please watch and understand carefully and then I will give you time for performance. Today our topic is ANOVA. So we need to ask again same question. What is ANOVA? Second question, why do we perform ANOVA? Third question, types of ANOVA. And last question, how to arrange data for ANOVA. So first we need to ask these three questions. Copy these three questions. Open ChatGPT and open new chat. Paste these questions and send message. We are repeating same step, same process as we have done for t-test and descriptive statistics. The first question is, what is ANOVA? ANOVA means analysis of variance. It is the statistical test used to compare the mean of three or more groups at the same time. So it is a similar definition to t-test. In t-test, a statistical test used to compare the mean of two groups, but here are three or more groups. So if you have two groups, you need to apply t-test. If you have more than three or more than three groups, you need to apply ANOVA. Instead of doing many t-tests which increase error, ANOVA does one overall test to see if at least one group mean is different from the other. So it will show you difference between the group and within the group. Why do we perform ANOVA? Number one, we have more than two groups and we want to compare their means. To avoid multiple t-tests, if you have many groups, you need to apply multiple t-tests. It will give you type 1 error or false positive value. To study the effect of one or more factors, you can also study one or more factor. Like if you have one factor, your ANOVA will be one way ANOVA. If you have two factor, ANOVA will be two-way ANOVA. Types of ANOVA. So many types of ANOVAs are available. If you are given here, first is one-way ANOVA. In one-way ANOVA, only have one factor. Two-way ANOVA have two factor, and repeated measure ANOVA have data set in the form of group or presence or absence before and after, as like pair t-test. And mixed design ANOVA, and then M ANOVA for multivariate ANOVA for multiple variables. ANCOVA and other specialized ANOVA types are here. One-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, three-way ANOVA, repeated measure ANOVA, mixed ANOVA, M ANOVA, ANCOVA, nested ANOVA, random effect ANOVA. So if you want, next I can show you a simple example with numbers, but I want to check the sample data table. I have sent this data within group. So please all participants read this batch 102. I typed a message, thanks, now I need sample data table for each type of ANOVA in Excel sheet. So I have generated sample data table for ANOVA. It is a single file with multiple sheets. And I need to save in working directory folder, batch 103, sample ANOVA dataset, and save. You can also generate sample data related to your field of study. But I am sending this data for practice within group. If you are unable to generate from ChatGPT, you can use this sample data. Okay, next step is import dataset. Import from Excel. Select your data. Desktop 103. Sample ANOVA dataset. And this file have many sheets. Click on sheet option showing you one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, repeated measure ANOVA. So if you want to perform one-way ANOVA, you need to arrange your dataset like this. If you want to perform two-way ANOVA, you need to arrange your dataset like this. In two-way ANOVA, you have two groups. One is no drug and other is drug A. No drug and drug A. Two group or two factors. So first I want to perform ANOVA on one-way ANOVA. So I will import one-way ANOVA data. File name is same for each sheet, but data will be different. So take str, sample, and run. Copy, open ChatGPT, and paste. And write a message. Thanks. Now I want to perform one-way ANOVA. Now I want to perform one-way ANOVA in R and send message. Okay, now ChatGPT have given me a script in different part. The first step is for ANOVA. First step is prepare dataset. So R automatically, when you run this code, R automatically will adjust your dataset. Visualize box plot plus point plot. Next, check ANOVA. So it is the basic formula for ANOVA. It will give you summary of ANOVA. Normality of residual will show you residual value and plot. Homogeneity of variance value and one-way ANOVA formal test. Same will give you same results as above, or in tidy format with effect size. Also show you the ANOVA results with effect size. And next step is, which is very important, post hoc test, 2K test, which group differ. It will show you post hoc test. Now I will write a message, thanks. Now I need all code in single script and run. Here is the complete script. Copy, open R, paste and run. Here is the mean value ABC. There are three group, and mean value and standard deviation. Here is the plot for outcome by group, one-way ANOVA. ANOVA table, p-value is less than 0.005, showing 3 star. It's mean our p-value is less than 0, highly significant. Results are, there is a significant difference between A, B and C. It's showing you effect size. Here is the normal QQ plot. Showing some errors. Here is the 2K post-hoc test. ANOVA will show you there is a significant difference, but how many difference found in your groups, you need to 2K test will show you the difference. So BA difference is 2.7, CA difference is 6.9, and CB difference is 4.2. Now next step is, it is again showing me error. No, there is a plot which showing us letters, group letters, alphabets. Mostly you have seen in research article or thesis, there is a bar graph, and on bar graph A, B, C is written. It is based on 2K test. So I will say thanks. I need bar graph with compact letter display. So these letters are known as compact letter display, CLD. Sorry. So there is a plot with uh, compact letter display, CLD, or we can say compact letter display. These results are based on 2K test. Now, next step is you need to perform two-way ANOVA. For two-way ANOVA, you need to import file for two-way. Click on from Excel, select your file. File name is ANOVA, sample ANOVA dataset, and click on sheet. Two-way ANOVA, import. It will show you dataset for two-way ANOVA. Same str and the file name is sample ANOVA dataset and run. Here is the str. No, you need to repeat same steps for ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. Write a message to ChatGPT. I want to perform two-way ANOVA with visualization in R. It will give you script, copy and paste in R, and it will give you results in the form of table and plot in the form of PNG or PDF. Okay. Now please perform all types of ANOVA and share your results within group. I am live now. If you have any issue or error message, you are allowed to discuss with me. Please type clear and start your work. If you have any question, you are allowed to ask.